fine. Welcome to episode number 7 of our Locking Fundamentals series. And today we're going to be talking about Skeeter Rabbit. Now stick around towards the end of the video because I have a special surprise interview for you. In case you didn't know, I'm Ceech. I teach and I make dance tutorial videos. If my videos are helpful and you would like to support the channel, just send me $1 million or click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Ooh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification when I post. Now my tutorials are dance along videos, which means you can practice along with me while you watch. Each video has multiple drills and each drill is about a minute. It's not too long, but enough to build muscle control and strengthen your rhythm. My challenge to you is to try to keep up with me throughout the entire drills. Now, if you can't do it at first, try again tomorrow because this takes time and patience. Now, for my explanations and the tips on each drill, make sure to watch the video all the way through towards the end of the video so you don't miss out on the specific technique that I have so that you can avoid some of the common pitfalls or mistakes. All right, now if you're ready, put your dancing shoes on. I'll see you in the drill. Enjoy, have fun, and don't forget to make it funky. We're talking about the Skeeter Rabbit today. This is one of the more famous moves from the locking camp. Now, Skeeter Rabbit is a name, a person's name. Later on at the end of all the tutorials, I'm gonna show you a clip of an interview, a brief interview. The first day I met Skeeter Rabbit of the Electric Boogaloos, this is his shirt by the way, of him explaining where he got his name. Now this is a shout out to the original, the OG Skeeter Rabbit, and he's the one that came up with this move. So let's get right into it. Skeeter Rabbit, the way I break it down, actually the way it was explained to me is it kind of came from hopscotch, okay? Hopscotch, where you're hopping, right? You're hopping one leg, two leg, one leg, kind of like that, all right? So how we're gonna start is this, with a kick. It's not just a kick though. There's a hop and a kick, all right? So imagine, the more important part is the hop. Hop, you're gonna go 1, 2, and then 3, hop forward, okay? So we're gonna do all, think of right leg, okay? 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, okay? Let me count it with the tempo count. So we're used to it. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, and we hold the 4 for now, okay? So in this first drill, I want you guys to really understand it because we're gonna move pretty fast later on. So get used to this part. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, hold the 4. So our first 2-way count, the count goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're gonna hold the 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, one more time. 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna explain the arms at the same time. Now the arms, if you guys seen the Scooby-Doo video where our arms are going like uppercut, it's doing the same thing, okay? 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. We're just gonna hold that 3, 4, okay? 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, hold the 4. Now, let's try a little bit faster. I'm gonna face front. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. One more time, sideways. 7, 8, 1, and 2, and 3, 4. that itself, that's the meat of the Skeeter Rabbit. Okay, you see a lot of moves that transition into the Skeeter Rabbit, transition out of it. But right now, just that part, I want you guys to try to build it into your muscle memory, into your natural coordination, so that it'll be easier to transition into the other moves. Okay, the Skeeter Rabbit, one more time. We're gonna do 2 back to back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. So that is basically the essence of drill number 1. Get that into your muscle memory, okay? And once you're done with this, you're not done. You're just halfway done because you gotta do the left side as well, okay? For the purpose of this video, everything from the left side is exactly the same on the right side. You just gotta flip it. Gotta train it. All right, guys, hope you guys have fun with this one, but do not quit with this one because you gotta get to drill number 2 as well as drill number 3, making sure that you really understand this really awesome fun move. All right, guys, see you in the next drill. Welcome to drill number 2. Now, we are going to incorporate the Skeeter Rabbit right into the Scooby-Doo, okay? So check it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So before in the previous drill, we had 1 and 2 and 3, where we stop on the 3. Now, immediately, right on the 3, we'll go right into the Scooby-Doo, okay? So one more time, slow. Let's focus on the bottom half, which is the leg first. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, one more time. I'm gonna do the hop now. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? So that's the leg. Arms is the same thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly the same. If you practice the Scooby-Doo, then this should be an easy transition from the Skeeter Rabbit into the Scooby-Doo. Here we go. Let's go half time first. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Ready for tempo. 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So that mixture, that combination is very popular. I think it's one of the more fundamental combination moves. Skeeter Rabbit right into the Scooby-Doo. It's a really fun move to do. Hope you guys are going to build into it. Do it with a drill, okay? Rewind it back. Or as you listen to me, for the second time or third time, listen to what I'm saying, but also practice with the drills that I have playing on the side right now. All right, guys, hope you guys built it into your muscle memory. Get some water if you need to, and I'll see you in drill number 3. It was taught to me actually originally by Richie Rich. Okay, he actually, believe it or not, I met him first before I met Skeeter Rabbit and Pop people. Richie Rich, really cool dude, really good locker as well. So anyways, he taught me, he called this Around the World, okay? So it's the Skeeter Rabbit, but you're spinning. Right now we're spinning 180 degrees. So we're going 1 and 2, right on the end, 2, and I'm facing the back side, 3 and 4. Okay, so I'm gonna face the sideways so you guys see what I'm talking about. 7, 8, 1 and 2, and right on the end, I'm coming back, and 3 and 4. Okay? And we do that again. So I have 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So this should look very familiar because that was drill number 2. So we're building on the drill number 2, all right? So this one's very progressive. You gotta get drill number 1 before you get drill number 2, and then now drill number 3, okay? So let's go slow, one more time. Around the world, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So this is a 180-degree turn, okay? We've done it before when we're doing a 90-degree turn, which allows us to practice more. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and that's the idea. To turn a little bit less. But for our sake right now, we're just going to do a 180-degree turn, okay? So around the world with Skeeter Rabbit, right into, and we end it with the Scooby-Doo, okay? Hope you guys have fun with it. Stick around. I'm gonna play a clip of Skeeter Rabbit of the Electric Boogaloos. First day I met him, describing how he got his name. Hope you guys have fun. Enjoy.
Boom! Skeeter Rabbit. Skeeter is a southern name. A lot of people don't understand, but even Skeeter Rabbit is a southern name. Most people in the South, it's like a busybody, like bad kids. They'll say Skeeter comes from 2 things, skeets or a mosquito. They just call them skeeters. So if you're busy, they call you Skeeter. Likewise, rabbit, and they just put it together. The whole Skeeter Rabbit, anybody will tell you, it's only 2. Both are from Watts. I'm from outside of Watts. Both names came from the South, Skeeter Rabbit. But the dance originated with the first Skeeter Rabbit, but was perfected through me because I took it to the other levels. So they just called me Skeeter Rabbit along with the other Skeeter Rabbit, and it just stuck. So that's it.